You're welcome.
Thank you. This is our lodge camp for Serengeti. 3 nights we're gonna stay here. Let me just give you a quick room tour. So as we enter, this is how it looks like, the whole tent. Let me remove my shoes. Okay, here's a bed. Here's a small chair. Then there's some power switches and light. Here's the luggage space and place to keep your clothes, hang them. And then there's the washroom. This is the bathing area. Here is the basins and stuff, and here is the toilet. So yeah, this is great. It's perfect. We're staying like right inside the national park, so this is the best that we could get, and we are really happy with it.